Hello friends, welcome to Way to English. I am Ashish. Most of the people think that how to improve English pronunciation. There are no shortcuts to perfect pronunciation. However, there are some ways you can practice more effectively and improve your skills faster. In this video, I tell you some tips. Start improving your pronunciation today and take a step closer towards your goal of perfect English pronunciation. First one, listen to yourself. It's often difficult to hear pronunciation error in your own speech because you are concentrating actually communicating rather than the sound you are making. If you can't hear your pronunciation, probably it's tough to correct them. Try recording your speech with your smartphone or PC and making a note of specific area you need to improve on. The second one is slow down. Many English learners think that speaking fluently means they need to speak fast. This is wrong. Speaking too fast is reinforces bad habits and makes the speaker sound nervous and invites speaking. Speaking slowly will give you time to breathe properly and think about what you want to say next because it gives you think to time, and while you speaking you feel more relaxed and you will be able to concentrating on making your English sound fantastic. The third one is get physical. Pronunciation is a physical skill. You are teaching your mouth a new way to move and using different muscles. Focus on different sounds and each day. Having trouble with you, put your tongue between your teeth but don't bite down and blow air out of your mouth. Feel the air move over the top of your tongue. The fourth one is watch yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. This is most important to see the placement of your tongue, lips, shape of your mouth. When you make a certain sounds, compare what you see with a video of a native speaker saying the same thing. The fifth one is copy the experts. This is the most important. There are no replacement of learning pronunciation from the expert native speakers. So listen to English videos, programs and watch televisions and English in movies. Imitate them, what you are hearing, and even if you are not sure what they are saying yet, you have to practice that. And practice English alone. This is the sixth one. Pronunciation problem persists because we are afraid to make mistakes. Create sceneries, meeting as someone in the first time, ordering a restaurant, asking for a direction, then act out the dialogue by yourself. Don't be shy. And the seventh one is find a language with your friend. Getting feedback from an outside observer in crucial time. Find a friend who also interested in improving their English. Try exchanging records messages so you can listen closely to each other pronunciation. So my dear friends, give each of these tips and try next time you have to a chance to find out which of them work best for you. Remember, none of them is an instant fix, but they will help you to reach your goals as a part of regular practice. So my dear friends, thank you for watching this video. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.